guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you how to cook the chicken biryani with a step-by-step process. So just stay tuned and keep on watching until the end of the video. To marinate the chicken for the biryani, combine the vegetable oil, garlic, ginger, chili peppers, mint, cilantro, garam masala, cinnamon and salt in a large bowl and stir together. Add the chicken and mix to cover it together. For step 2, add the ghee and saute the onions in a pot for 15 to 20 minutes until brown or caramelized. Move it into a bowl after and set aside. To parboil the rice, add the water, salt, cardamom, cumin and bay leaf to a pot and bring to a boil. Add the rice and boil for 7 minutes. Drain the rice, reserving 1 cup of the liquid.